I have the M4 iPad Pro, and I'll be showing you how to change the wallpaper. So swipe down and then long press anywhere and then tap on customize. Okay, now this is going to allow you to customize the current wallpaper, or you can just go ahead and create a brand new wallpaper. So just tap on add, and then let's go ahead and create a new wallpaper. You have all these options you can choose from. So let me, for instance, select this one. Okay, so that's going to be my new wallpaper, and you can see before you add a wallpaper where you can put widgets. All right, so let's just tap on OK and then tap on add. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to set this as a wallpaper pair for both the lock screen and the home screen? Now let's go ahead and say customize home screen, so we can have a different wallpaper for the home screen. And here you can change the color if you want to. You can have it a different color, same design, or you can completely change the wallpaper. So you can even go into photos and go to your gallery and find a photo that you can use. Let me pick this one, for instance, and I can use that. All right, and if I want to change, I can tap on there. I can even add depth effect on this particular wallpaper, and when I'm done, I'll just tap on done, and that's going to be it, and then tap on done in the top right corner. So now that wallpaper has been created for both the lock screen and the home screen. To enable it, just tap on it. Simple as that. So you can see my new lock screen wallpaper, and when I unlock, you can see my new home screen wallpaper. All right, so that's basically how to change the wallpaper on your M4 iPad Pro. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.